In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Midea washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your washing machine door won't open, it could be due to safety features or mechanical issues. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to open the door. So, wait for the lock to release. So, after a cycle ends, the door remains locked for a few minutes. Wait at least 2 minutes before attempting to open it. Pause the cycle. So if the machine is mid-cycle, press the start or pause button on the controls. The door should unlock shortly after. Unplug and reset. So disconnect the washer from the power for about a minute, then plug it back in. This can simply reset the system and release the lock. Now, if the door still remains locked, we need to check the water in the drum. So if there's water still inside the drum, the door won't open. Run a drain or spin cycle to remove the excess water. Manually drain the machine. So you can locate the drain filter at the bottom front of the machine. You can see by this circle here. Open the cover and use the emergency drain hose to remove water. Use the emergency door release. So behind the drain filter cover, there's often a manual release cord or lever colored with red or blue or yellow. Pulling this can unlock the door.